Welcome to Nalla Narasimha Reddy Educational Society Group of Institutions Integrated Campus. Department of Civil Engineering. Myself, Suresh Kumar, Assistant Professor in Department of Civil Engineering. In today's lecture, instruments used for leveling. If you want to conduct leveling survey, what type of instruments we use in the field? We'll discuss today. Level. What is level? Level. In leveling instruments are so many types. In that, this whatever the picture you are showing, that is dumpy level. In dumpy level, all parts, what we'll call it as, we'll see one by one. See, if you observe here, this is called eyepiece. Whatever which is showing and indicating, that is called eyepiece, where we can see the object. Okay, we can see the object from this eyepiece only. This is bubble adjusting screw. So the bubble, whatever the bubble we have, that bubble will be adjusted by these screws. Now this is focusing screw. Whatever the object you are going to see, that object will be focused by rotating this focusing screw. This is horizontal bubble. Whether your instrument is leveled or not, we come to know by seeing this longitudinal bubble only. This is object piece, where we can see the object in this object piece only. See, if you see here, these called foot screws. The 3 foot screws are there in for this dumpy level. By these foot screws only, we can level that instrument. Either we can rotate clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction until this horizontal bubble comes to the center. We need to rotate until it gets to the center. And upper parallel plate, that is called tri-batch, and lower plate, this plate is called tri-wet. Okay, these tri-wet and tri-batch, in between them these foot screws are placed. So this is the how this dumpy level is there, where this is called transverse bubble. So we'll see now next instrument, that is digital level. What is this digital level? There are fundamentally 2 types of automatic level. That is, first, the optical one, whose distinguished features is self-leveling. The instrument gets approximately leveled by means of circular spirit level, and then it is maintained horizontal line of sight of its own. Second one, digital level, whose distinguished features are automatic leveling, reading and recording. See, if you use this second one, we can do leveling, readings, we can take readings and we can record that readings at the same time. Here we need to take the horizontal line of sight of its own. So this is another instrument where we can do this leveling survey. See, automatic level. Automatic level, auto level, we can call it as auto level also. See what are the parts of this auto level. See, the numbers are indicated on the top of this instrument. What we'll discuss one by one in this lecture. See, 1 we call it as base plate. Okay, number 2, it is called horizontal circle. So in this base plate and horizontal circle, in between that the leveling screws are placed. These are called leveling screws. These are called leveling screws. This is called base plate. This is called horizontal circle. What is eyepiece? Here, if you see here, this is eyepiece, where we need to, if you want to see an object from this instrument, we need to see from eyepiece only. Fourth one, here it is, that is bubble, circular bubble, whether your instrument is leveled or not. If your bubble comes to the center, then only it is treated as your instrument is leveled. Sighting pointer. See, this is a sighting pointer, that is center. Object lens. Sixth one is, this is the object lens, where we can see the object. We can coincide this object. Focusing. Seventh one is focusing. Here it is. We can focus and we can adjust according to that. Fine motion drive. So this is fine motion drive, where you can see the object exactly. Foot screws. What I told you, this is called foot screws. It is the instrument. These are the screws. If you rotate clockwise or anti-clockwise direction, then only this circular bubble comes center. Bubble mirror. This bubble mirror is also at here. These all are the parts of auto level or atomic level. These are the instruments we generally use in leveling survey. This is called leveling staff. The staff is simply a large ruler available in length of 4 meters, 5 meters, and also 3 meters, usually made up of wood or aluminum. In olden days, it will be in a wooden, but now it is coming in a aluminum frame. So what is this leveling staff, and what are the self-reading, and what are the targets? See, these leveling staff will be extended. If you observe here, this leveling staff, here the more important thing is how to read this leveling staff is more important. So this is the wooden one, and this is the aluminum one. So wherever if you are using the dumpy level, that dumpy level will be coincide to this leveling staff only, where exactly coinciding according to the units which are placed on this leveling staff, we come to know what is the elevation on that particular point. So these leveling staff can be folded and it can be reused. So here these leveling staff and auto level or dumpy level or digital level, we can use any one of the instrument and we can conduct this survey. We'll see in the next class what deeply about this leveling staff. Thank you.